Welcome to Blueprints.
What is Blueprints and what is Blueprints' goal? It is Blueprints' goal to create one solid, fundamental Python library for all civil engineering calculations, and to provide an open source alternative with full transparency of code, calculations, and tests. By creating this together, there will be no need for every company to reinvent the wheel, the Python wheel, and this way we can share cutting-edge programming technology. The world is full of unmaintainable Excels, and Blueprints offers a way to ditch these unmaintainable Excels and provide a good Python alternative. Everything that is civil engineering related can be implemented into Blueprints, but we will exclude anything that is copyrighted that Blueprints is not licensed for. So how does Blueprints plan on reaching this goal? Every 6 weeks we have an in real life sprint session with an option to join digitally. We also have regular chats and discussions in our Discord. We store our code publicly on the GitHub, and we have plenty of documentation and examples on Read2Docs. And of course we have this YouTube channel. Every now and then we will also make a formal announcement on LinkedIn featuring major events or publications.